In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Loom on your computer. By the end, you'll have Loom set up and ready to record your screen or camera in just a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Loom's login page. On that page, look for a button that says Download or Get Loom. Click it, then choose the version that matches your device, either Windows or Mac. As soon as you make your choice, your browser should begin downloading the installer file automatically. If you're prompted to save the file, choose your downloads folder so it's easy to find. Once the download finishes, open your downloads folder and double-click the Loom installer file to begin. On Windows, a setup window will appear. Just follow the prompts, click install when asked, and allow any security confirmations from your system. The installer will copy the necessary files, and you'll see a message when setup is complete. On a Mac, a window will appear with the Loom app icon. Drag the Loom app into your Applications folder, then open it from Applications. If your Mac asks to confirm that you want to open an app downloaded from the internet, choose Open to continue. When Loom launches, you'll be prompted to log in or create an account. Select the sign-in option that works best for you, whether that's using Google, your email, or another available login method. If you're new to Loom, take a moment to complete the quick sign-up so your recordings can be saved to your account. Next, allow the permissions Loom needs to record properly. Approve screen recording so Loom can capture your display, and grant microphone access so your voice can be included in videos. Camera access is optional, but turn it on if you want your face bubble in the corner. If your computer shows any permission prompts, accept them so Loom can function as intended. To make sure everything is working, create a short test. Click New Video, pick whether you want to record your screen, your camera, or both, and start a brief recording. Say a few words, switch a window or two, then stop and play it back. Check that the audio is clear, the screen capture looks sharp, and the camera appears if you enabled it. That's it. You've downloaded, installed, logged in, granted permissions, and verified your setup. You're ready to start creating and sharing quick, polished videos with Loom.